Let's get one thing straight before anything else. The actual structure of BITSAT. 130 questions, 83 seconds per question on average. Every wrong answer costs you -1. It's a race against your own pace. My advice. Now here is the part almost nobody talks about. Hi. Every BITSAT aspirant prepares 1 to 2 years for physics, chemistry and mathematics. And English, you can easily handle it because you are studying it since childhood. And there is logical reasoning, sitting quietly in the corner of the syllabus like nobody even notices me. Biggest mistake. Because that quiet corner is worth 20 questions and 60 marks and possibly your seated Pilani. Let's get one thing straight before anything else. The actual structure of BITSAT. 130 questions, 40 from maths, 30 each from physics and chemistry, 10 from English and 20 from logical reasoning. Every correct answer gives you +3. Every wrong answer costs you -1. Unanswered, 0. No harm at all. Now here is the part almost nobody talks about. If you finish and answer all 130 questions within the given time, BITSAT unlocks 12 extra questions, 3 more from each maths, physics and chemistry and logical reasoning. English doesn't get this bonus round. There is an extra 36 marks sitting here, but only if you are fast enough and disciplined enough to complete the main 130 first. So this isn't just an examination anymore. It's a race against your own pace, and logical reasoning is exactly where you win that race. Now, here is the strategy. Over 3 hours, 180 minutes for 130 questions. That's roughly 83 seconds per question on average. A tough physics numerical that can easily eat 3 to 4 minutes. A logical reasoning question, once you know the pattern, just 20 to 40 seconds maximum, sometimes even less. So, my advice, and this is strategy, not just motivation, attempt logical reasoning first. Complete all 20 questions early. 2 things happen. 1. Your bank spare time you can now spend on the genuinely tough PCM numericals later. 2. You walk into the harder sections with early marks already secured and real confidence in hand, instead of starting with your examination already anxious. So, better start with logical reasoning. Now let's talk about the number that actually matters. 330. This is a magical number. Crossing 330 out of total 390 or up to 426 if you unlock the bonus, has in recent years given students a genuine shot at the top course computer science and on the top campus BITS Pilani. And getting 330 is not some Herculean task if your preparation is on track. You are already learning physics, chemistry and maths seriously for JEE mains and advanced anyway. English, you are already fluent in. And remember one thing, logical reasoning is the one section where a focused effort, not years of grinding, can be the difference that pushes you and your total across that particular line of 330 marks. Now, some of you are panicking already. Naku maths already kastanga undi. Ippudu reasoning even maths feels hard for me. Now reasoning, you are just assuming logical reasoning needs high IQ level, but actually it is not like that. Logical reasoning is not asking you to be an Einstein. It's asking you to notice that if, for example, you have a bit of 2, 4, 8, 16, it is just doubling. That's it. If you can notice one of your friend wearing the same shirt twice in a week, idi ade shirt kadra? Is this the same shirt? Congratulations, you already have the exact skill of identifying the pattern. Treat this section like a play. These are just puzzles, the same kind of riddles you solved as a kid. Just the change is now you are dressed in examination clothes. While physics and chemistry demand serious, heavy focus, logical reasoning can genuinely be your fun break in the middle of hard prep schedule. The one part of your day that doesn't feel like studying, even though it's quietly building your score. I have spent 30 years of teaching logical reasoning for various competitive exams and going through BITSAT previous year's papers in real depth. The official syllabus listed on the BITS website is not the complete picture. There are recurring question types asked from different topics year after year that simply aren't listed there. So I am building a chapter-wise playlist based on what actually been asked, not just what's officially declared. And because of that, I genuinely don't think you need to spend another 50 to 60,000 rupees on a separate coaching program, online or offline, to learn logical reasoning. Maths, physics, and chemistry will always demand your time. Give it to them. But logical reasoning is quietly waiting to hand you marks you haven't even earned it, and maybe even your seat at Pilani. తెలివితో ఆడితే ఇది మీ ఈజియెస్ట్ స్కోరింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. Play it smart and this becomes your easiest score. I am Ravikant and this is RK's Logic. Follow along. Let's dig out that extra time and let's start scoring the smart way. See you soon and all the best.